Some places are not just visited, they are felt. Alaska is such a place. It is not just a destination, it is an experience. And through this painting, I'm bringing that experience to life, one brushstroke at a time. Out here, the world is honest and wild. The rivers don't lie and mountains don't pretend. And if you listen closely enough, you will hear their voices. But how do you capture something that refuses to be tamed? How do you paint not just what you see, but what you feel? Every painting begins with chaos. Colors mix unpredictably. Pigments clash and swirl. Just like Alaska itself, a land untamed, unpredictable, and wild at heart. At this stage, there is no structure, no plan, just raw energy, much like the rivers that carve through this rugged land. But in that chaos, there is much potential. Out of the turbulence of color and texture, form and structure emerge. Just like the fisherman who braves the currents, I trust the process, letting my experience and the movement of the brush guide me. With every stroke, I begin to shape the untamed wild into something more. And pretty soon, a new vision emerges, just like the fisherman's cast slicing through the morning mist. Fly fishing is an art in itself. It's a dance between patience and instinct, chaos and control. You don't fight the river, you move with it, reading the currents, feeling the pulse of the land. That's what I aim to capture on this canvas. The spirit of the fisherman, the river, the untamed Alaska. Layer by layer, the chaos gives way to form. Depth emerges. The mountains stand tall, ancient and unwavering. The river surges forward, alive with energy. And in the center, the fisherman, alone but connected to something greater than himself. Art and fly fishing, they both demand patience, respect, and the understanding that what we seek isn't just the final moment, but the journey to get there. And in the end, you can't take the wild with you. You learn from it, you honor it, and if you're lucky, you leave with something more than what you came for. If you enjoyed this painting, if this story spoke to you, and would like to see more, then like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep the spirit of the untamed alive, one story at a time.